Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm at a bathroom. Got a giant attic access over here. Some switches. I just did a video of a door elevator. Haven't posted on YouTube yet, but I'll see what I can try to do with that. And over here, we got a fan, toilet, with no plunger, of course. And we should have one. Someone uses the bathroom. That is really small for the waist to go down so it would clog. Should have a plunger, but it does over for a backup. We got a drain there. You see, I got my iPhone 12 going off of. You can see there's the air. Little slow sink. I think there's a vent problem. See, it just gurgled. So, something to check out. So,